The old school wasn't wrong. The B2 Spirit flies perfectly. But at what cost? Hundreds of engineers, decades of work, billions of dollars. This is winning by throwing money at the problem. But the new school, the Koopman way, wins by using math. Same result. But the difference in price? Astronomical. Round 1, we win on efficiency.
But when we face a real beast like the Wigcraft, money can't save you. The old school dies here. Why? Because linear tools are blind to chaos. But Koopman, it sees the chaos and it controls it. Round 2, we don't just save money, we save lives. This is about survival.
So, what is your weapon of choice? On the left, the giant, powerful, fully equipped, but locked behind a massive paywall. On the right, David, the free, open-source rebel. I have proven it. The results are 100% identical. The question is, do you choose to pay, or do you choose freedom? Before you download the Python code, you need to know what success looks like. I am running the simulation in MATLAB right now. This is the ground truth. Watch closely. The red dashed line represents the standard linear approach. It predicts the system will decay to 0. In the real world, this is a crash. But look at the green line. This is the Koopman safeguard. It starts at the same critical point, but it correctly predicts the snap through to the stable attractor at 1.0. This specific green curve is your answer key. Now, let's switch to Python. If open source math is truly powerful, the Python graph must match this result pixel for pixel. Now we switch to Python. No license keys, no activation servers, just pure open source code. I hit run, and there it is. The logic is the same. The matrix math is the same. But here is the moment of truth. Let's overlay the MATLAB benchmark on top of this Python result. Perfect match. It tracks the instability. It captures the recovery, down to the last decimal point. This proves it. The barrier to entry for advanced control is gone. You don't need a $5,000 budget to save a system. You just need the right math. I have shown you the theory. I have shown you the code. Now I am giving you the beast. Inside this black box is the Wigcraft simulation. It is nonlinear. It is unstable. It has random wind gusts waiting to crash you. This proves it. The barrier to entry for advanced control is gone. You don't need a $5,000 budget to save a system. You just need the right math. My Koopman safeguard stabilized it in 0.5 seconds. Clean, efficient, 0 crash. That is the benchmark. That is the score to beat. Now it is your turn. I challenge engineers from California to Bangalore. Download the code, write your own controller. Use PID, use DeepRL, use anything you want. If you can beat my score, post your results. The arena is open. Let the games begin.